Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Funzo, and if you're new here, welcome. On today's video, we're gonna be making a very nice, takes time but very simple, straightforward recipe of cow heels or cow feet, Makwanda in Chivenda. So guys, without further ado, let's get into it. So basically, we're gonna be starting off with some oil. We're just gonna heat up the oil. So this is to brown our onions. So we're just gonna be making basically, if you've checked any of my videos, the gravy, right? So we're just making the gravy part and then adding in the cow feet or the cow heels at the end of it. So starting off, I heated my oil and then I put in my onions. So we're just gonna brown the onions. So you know, like when you're cooking beef, that rich brown color, like if you brown your onions, cook a little bit of the paste, like to get like that little bit of darkness from it, it's gonna give you that beautiful brown color from like when you're cooking, including the spices, of course. So right here is the spices. Also remember, all of the ingredients that I'm using are gonna be in the description box. Everything, like how much of each that I used on here on the video, you just see the like the what I'm actually adding in, but the quantity of it will be in the description box below. So right here, I'm just adding in my tomato paste. This also helps at the end to also thicken up the sauce in itself that the cow heels were cooking in. So that's what I've seen that tomato paste does. So right there, I'm just mixing everything in, and then I'm putting in, these are canned tomatoes. Now listen, if you want to, you can cut your own tomatoes at home and then put those in. For me here, I wanted something that is like, it won't take you time basically to do the prep work. The time that's actually gonna be taking is for like the actual cow heels to actually cook, right? Because they take a while. And then here I'm adding in the stock, so they take a while to cook. So basically, I didn't want the prep time to also be like time consuming. So the only thing I did cut up was the onions, and everything else was just weighing in the spices. And also when it comes to the spices, right, you can add in things like peri peri. You can use a different type of curry powder or even curry paste if you want to, and it will add in a different flavor. But I did list the ingredients down below that I specifically used and the measurements. But for salt and pepper, you always remember it is according to taste. But also when it comes to peri peri, it's according to taste, how you would like it. So that's basically it. And then here I put in the cow heels or cow feet, and then I added in some water. This is the only amount of water I'm going to use to cook this. So as I'm cooking this, right, it's gonna start off by it boiling, and then you're gonna turn down the heat to somewhere. For my stove, it goes up to a 6. So I was cooking it initially for the first, let's say, about 60 minutes. I cooked it at around 4, and then the remaining time, um um I cooked it at around, I cooked it somewhere around a 5. So I was getting to like the finishing end part. So like just remember that. And this is me dishing it. Can you see how beautiful that looks, guys? I hope you'll actually try out this recipe. Don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below if you like the recipe. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. And guys, thank you for watching, and until next time, bye.